Nothing else did.
Squirrel said yes, but he said
no. Remote control. Now he's got his own game show. Remote control.
Hello. And now it's his basement visitors, his game show. The Quizmaster himself, Mr. Kenneth Ober.
Thank you. How you doing? Hey, Carl. Hey, Alicia. Hi, Steve. Just say no? No, sure. Hey, let's meet these guys, shall we? First of all, say hello to Paul, big bad Paul. Paul used to work at Action Park.
Yes, Action
Hey, man,
Park.
I've been there.
Yep.
In the middle, is it Andrea or Andrea? Andrea, good, because my jaw couldn't do that. Andrea works at a health food cafe. On the end, there's Michael. Michael's a DJ. Wish him good luck, huh? Woo. Okay, that's how we do it. Up on the big scene, we got 9 channels, about a variety of subject matter ranging from A to R to T, U. I don't know what it is today. Anyway, you guys hopefully have some answers. Paul.
All right, kid, give me channel number 8.
Channel 8. Leave out the beaver. You know, in a perfect world, the beaver would be in every single TV show. But is this the perfect world? You're right, it's not. So all you got to do is leave out the beaver and tell me what show remains for 5 points. Frank Burns, Colonel Potter, the beaver, and Hawkeye.
MASH.
Andrea. Yes, MASH, 5 points.
I'll stay with channel 8.
Andrea, you work in a health food cafe. What's the deal with carob and chocolate?
Carob and chocolate. Well, carob is healthier, but it has just as much sugar.
That's
So
my
not
point.
giving
My
it health.
point exactly. Let's expose this carob chocolate fiasco right now. All right, what'd you say, Andrea?
I'll stick with this channel, Ken.
Okay. Leaving the beaver out one more time. Here we go, 10 points. Kizzy, the beaver, Chicken George, and Kunta Kinte. That's Mike.
Roots.
Roots, right, 10 points.
Finish up channel number 8.
Channel 8. Leaving the beaver out one last time. 15 points. Minor celebrities, freezing Macy's employees, the beaver, huge half-inflated balloons.
Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Right, 15 points. Yes, Andrea. You have a lead. How's it feel? You're on the top. How's it feel?
Feels pretty good, Ken.
Good.
Okay. Channel number 5, please.
Channel number 5. It's the evil cousin Skip. It's a bit from the evil opposite of my cousin Flip. It's the anti-Flip. The evil cousin Skip. There's no telling what it'll make you do.
Any way you can keep those maggots quiet?
I'll try, sir.
Yeah, really you too. Maggot piles you crawl out of, pal. So, all right. I gotta do something for these folks here. So, ding in and laugh the theme song to I Love Lucy.
Andrea.
Ha 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 ha.
Good enough. 10 points. All right, Andrea. What do you want to do?
Okay, I'll try channel number 2.
Sorry.
Wrong choice.
Bye, Skip. I'm not sure if I got that. Did you get that? 5 points. Prime time. On Murphy Brown, an angry debate between housewives and hookers led to a broken nose for a TV anchorman. What creepy real-life host suffered a similar fate? That's Mike.
Geraldo Rivera.
Yes, 5 points. Paul, you all right?
I don't know here.
Paul, you look a little dazed and confused.
I don't know.
Need some oxygen or something?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah, a little shot of B12.
Yeah, something. I don't know.
All right, go ahead, Mike.
Stick with channel 2.
Channel 2 prime time, 10 points. I'm going to really talk up right at you, Paul. Maybe this will help. That pouting hunk on Falcon Crest, Lance Thompson is played by the son of actor Fernando Lamas. Name him. Andrea.
Lorenzo Lamas?
Yes, Lorenzo Lamas. 10 points. Andrea, the lead with 40 points. Go ahead.
I'll stay with this channel, please.
Prime time, closing it out, 15 points. During the Wonder Years opening credits, Joe Cocker sings which 60s anthem by the Beatles? Mike.
Little Help from My Friends.
Right, Little Help from My Friends. 15 points.
Hey, thanks.
30 points. You're in second place, Mike. Go ahead.
Move to Channel 1.
Channel 1, Really Late Show. These are questions about shows that are on really late at TV that you watch alone in your bed of pain. Here we go, 5 points. On Late Night with David Letterman, what surgically altered babe once called Dave a dirty name that means rectal orifice? Andrea.
Cher.
Yes, Cher. 5 points. Go ahead, Andrea.
I'll stay with the Really Late Show.
Okay. Staying in your bed of pain. 10 points. Crass widow and failed talk show hostess Joan Rivers used to love to ridicule what violet-eyed, formerly fat film goddess? Andrea.
Elizabeth Taylor.
Yes, 10 points. Paul? Maybe you should go over and give him a little poke or something. Go goose him or something. I don't know. Go goose him. Here, get his blood up or something. Hey, maybe a little doingle will work now there, Paul.
Right.
Okay, go ahead, Andrew.
I'll stay with Really Late Show.
Okay, closing it out, 15 points. Johnny Carson is wearing a glitzy turban and answering questions faster than Ed can pull them out of a hermetically sealed envelope. What supposedly hilarious character is he playing? Mike.
Karnak the Magnificent.
Right, Karnak, 15 points. Paul, you knew that. Paul. Paul, you knew that.
I knew that one. I couldn't think of it, though.
All those high school beach parties got in the way, right? Go ahead, Mike.
Drugs, man. So move up to channel number 6.
Channel 6, black and white television. Here we go, 5 points. Walter Winchell narrated the never-ending exploits of Martin Flaherty, Enrico Rossi, and Elliot Ness on what show? Paul.
Untouchable.
Yeah! All right, Paul.
I'm in control. I'm gonna stick with this channel.
Okay.
I'm gonna stick with this channel.
10 points. Okay. Tonto's nickname for the Lone Ranger was an Indian word that meant trusty scout. What was, Mike?
Kimosabi.
Yes, 10 points. Excuse me, contesti, it's my mother. Yes, Mom?
Your sister's doing strange things with the garden hose again.
Well, why shouldn't she? All right, that can only signal one thing. It's time for a little snack break, my friends. Today, shredded wheat with strawberries, and of course, a little milk to go with it. Let's check the scores. Andrea, 55. Mike got 55. Paul, 5. Round 2's coming up. The person left standing has a shot at this.
Fox Marketing's new infrared cordless stereo headphones plug into any stereo, personal stereo, or television, providing up to 40 feet of tangle-free high-fidelity headphone listening.
It's a collection of island CDs with the latest hits from such artists as U2 and Tone Loc.
The Lasonic L30 portable stereo system features dual cassettes, graphic equalizer, 100 watts of music power from Lasonic.
The acclaimed Grand Slam, a Nintendo system, the acclaimed wireless remote controller, the hot new Othello game, and other acclaimed blockbusters. Acclaim the masters of the game.
When remote control continues.
Most challenging quest ever awaits. Go with speed and go with patience. Seek out an arsenal, a dragon scale, a torch, and magic herbs. Use wisdom and cunning to choose thy commands, for the Dragon Lord is a fierce rival. Horrible and treacherous minions all guard the evil one's island castle. Art thou ready, young one?
Yes, King Lawrence.
And so begins a new epic, Dragon Warrior. Nintendo, now you're playing with power.
Who's this guy?
Ah! I'm Batman.
Wait till they get a load of me.
The gift you want to give. The gift you want to get. Batman on video cassette. Buy it November 15th at stores everywhere.
to the only game show that follows 4 out of the 10 commandments. Remote control.
Oh. Hi, we're back. Okay, same deal in round 2. Questions, answers, excitement, fun, memories. Okay, Mike, you're in control. Your time for the lead, 55 with Andrea. Paul has 5, but Paul, you look like you're recharged, man. That shredded wheat.
I'm ready.
You need a little fiber in your diet, and now you've had it. Go ahead, Mike.
Let's start off with number 3.
Channel 3, 30-something. Here we go, 30-something, 10 points. In what city do those fern-watering... That's Andrea.
Pennsylvania?
No. In what city do those fern-watering jerks on 30-something lead their piggy little lives?
Chicago?
Mike?
New York?
No. Philadelphia. Of course, Pennsylvania is not a city. Okay. Go ahead, Mike.
Better move to channel 2.
I need a Kleenex. Okay, channel 2. Tone deaf. The channel that proves once and for all, without and beyond a reasonable doubt, white people can't and shouldn't rap.
Coca-Cola in a bar, chilling with Spuds McKenzie. Famous dog comes in and she sends Spuds in a frenzy. He grabs onto my leg, and it wasn't very classy. Spuds wasn't fooling, man. He was drooling. What kind of dog is Lassie?
Mike.
A collie.
He was a collie, or she was a collie, actually. 20 points. Very good, Mike.
All right, let's stick with channel 2.
Staying with tone deaf.
Coca-Cola in a bar, looking for some action. Blonde girl walks in the room and drives me to distraction. Said, hi, my name is Heather. I said, hi, my name is Tone. She was good to go. She played Sammy Joe on What Stupid Fresh TV show.
Mike.
Fall Guy?
No.
Dynasty.
Andrew. Yes, Andrew. Dynasty. Sammy Joe. Played by Heather Locklear. 30 points. Big points. Go ahead, Andrew.
Oh, man.
I'll stay with Tony. Oh.
Paul, you are stunned. That's only...
Oh, man.
That's channel closed.
Channel number 8.
Channel 8, cartoons. 10 points. It's not a 44 Magnum, but Linus does carry something with him wherever he goes because... Andrea.
A blanket.
A blanket, right. 10 points. It makes him feel secure, much like Dirty Harry's 44 Magnum. Hence the reference. Go ahead, Andrea.
I'll stick with cartoons.
Okay, this is for 20 points now, Paul. This could get you right back into it, he said hopefully. 20 points. Which character on the Jetsons had an embarrassing speech impediment?
The dog.
Paul, the dog. Can you give me his name, Paul? Please, know his name. Please, know his name.
My mind draws a blank. I don't know.
Andrea.
Astro?
Astro, 20 points. Paul, rooting for you is like rooting for the Seattle Mariners. You know that? Go ahead, Andrea.
Somebody's got to lose.
Yeah. Go ahead, Andrea.
I'll stick with cartoons, Ken.
Okay, this is 30 points, Paul. 30 points. Bing, bang, boom. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, 30 points. Recently, a pressure group with a lot of free time accused a cartoon character of using cocaine on his TV show. Name this super rodent. Mike.
Mickey Mouse.
No. Paul.
Speedy Gonzales.
No, but a great answer. Andrea. No. Mighty Mouse. Oh, Paul, can I step down from the podium symbolically for 1 minute? What you said was far funnier than what our hack writers had written on the side. Paul, and if I didn't have the FCC looking over my shoulder, I would jam you those points. But,
Hey, go ahead, do it anyway. I'll make it worth your while. Trust me.
I'll slip them to you after the game. Go ahead,
All right,
Andrew.
sounds good. I want the card, the Montero, you know?
Yeah, we'll work it out, Paul, man. I know the guy from Mitsubishi in Jersey. We'll work it out.
All right.
Andrea, go ahead.
Channel number 2, please.
Channel 2, back. Oh, I'm sorry, that's closed.
Okay, channel number 7 then.
Channel 7, the Brady Network. Any dimwit knows that Robert Reed played Mr. Brady, but who played Grandpa Brady? Andrew.
Robert Reed.
Yes, 10 points. 125. Andrea's running away with it. Go ahead.
I'll definitely stick with the Brady Network.
Wow, she's playing like a woman possessed. 20 points. Macho Man Greg once lost a chin-up contest to which other Brady? That is Mike.
Bobby.
Yes, 20 points. Go ahead, Mike, 95.
Close out the Brady Network.
Okay, closing out the Brady Network. 30 points, Paul.
Catch up, yeah.
Yeah. That and a handgun. When the Bradys put their house up for sale, how do the kids scare off potential buyers? Andrea.
Ghost.
Yes, they dress up as ghosts. 30 points. 155. Go ahead, Andrea. Oh. Hey, Paul. Hey, nice having you in the basement, though.
It was fun. It was great. Nice seeing you, people.
Hey, man, we really tried. We went all 9 yards for the kid. All right, Mike, Andrew, here we go. Think real fast. They're lightning round, 10 points each, 30 seconds worth. Today it's time to salute Gilligan's Island and Color TV. I will name an object that was on that Technicolor Island. You tell me what color it actually was, or usually was. For example, if I said Mrs. Howell's pearls, you would say white. I'll name the object, you tell me the color. Let's have a clock. Here we go. Gilligan's shirt. Mike.
Orange.
No. Andrew. Yes. The SS Minnow. Mike.
White.
Yes. The skipper's shirt. Mike.
Blue.
Yes. Ginger's hair. Andrew.
Red.
Yes. Ginger's blood. Andrew.
Red.
Yes. Gilligan's pants. Mike.
White.
Yes. Gilligan's monkey. Andrew.
Brown.
Yes. Mr. Howell's money. Andrew.
Green.
Yes. Gilligan's stupid hat. Mike.
White.
Yes. The professor's button-down shirt. Andrew.
White.
Yes. Marianne's hair. Oh, it's all over. Andrea, 215 points. Not too shabby. Congratulations. Mike, nice game, but you got Andrea, you, my fair-haired lady, are headed towards the big old bed, a leather strap, and maybe all this stuff.
Kawai's electronic personal keyboard with 20 great sounds, built-in rhythm patterns, and a digital recorder from Kawai.
Vivitar TEC 155 autofocus camera with zoom lens built in. Beautiful 35mm pictures from Phoenix to portrait. TEC 155 from Vivitar.
Get dialed in on a Lotus Explorer 18-speed mountain bike for the excellent outdoor adventure. It's the awesome statement of Lotus heritage and performance.
Smith Corona's easy-to-use PWP-40 portable word processor with 16-line display, 50,000-word dictionary, and 20 pages of memory. American-made by Smith Corona.
One remote control continues.
Hi, I'm John Norris. I'll be sitting in for Kurt Loder tonight, where we'll have home video news from Bon Jovi and Ice-T, an in-depth look at sampling, and we'll check in with Miami's 2 Live crew. That's the news at night, 8:30 Eastern, 7:30 Central.
Get steady weight in your seat. All right. Don't let that throw you, man. You're in the big old bed, strapped in. This is real leather, by the way.
All right.
You got 9 screens, 30 seconds. You get all 9 within that 30. This is yours.
A vacation at the luxurious Americana Aruba, the premier resort on romantic Aruba, offering oceanfront vista, fantasy pool, casino gambling, and fine dining in an incomparable island setting. You will fly to Aruba on ALM Antillean Airlines, leading the way in the Caribbean for 25 years.
Casino gambling, and fine dining. A better combination could not be had.
And that's me and my sister Monica in Florida.
Boom, bing, boom, bam. That could be it. All you got 9 screens, 30 seconds. Here's your peek. All right. On your mark. Get set. Go.
1 Def Leppard,
Yes.
2 Madonna,
Yes.
3 U2,
Yes.
4 Belinda
Yes.
Carlisle, 5 Joan Jett,
Yes.
6 Rod Stewart,
Yes.
7 Roy Orbison,
Yes.
8 Tom Lewis, 9 The Baby.
Yes! Someone's going to Aruba. You're going to Aruba, babe. And you also get a word processor, a bike, a keyboard, a camera, a video game package, a portable stereo, some CDs, and some headphones. Unbelievable. Andrea, you could have gone through them again. That was unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, what's that unbelievable? It's all pretty famous. But anyway, Andrea, great game. Carl, that's a world record. That's a world record. You set the world record. Congratulations. You want to put your feet in cement. That was amazing. Andrea, how does it feel?
It feels great, man. I don't have to tell you right now that I've never experienced anything like it.
And now that you won and you're going to Aruba, where are you going after that? You're not going to Disneyland?
I'm going home.
You're not going to Disneyland. Bye. I can't believe it.
All contestants receive LA Gear, fashion that functions. High-style athletic footwear is high performance too. Perfect for all your moves. LA Gear. Take control of your life with Zenith's multi-brand remote control. It operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters from the company that invented the remote control, Zenith. It's the remote control computer software game from high-tech expression. Losing contestants take home from the Gumi Guys. Gumi friendship bracelets featuring their brand new super colorful Oba-Obas and fashionable woven leather bracelets. Gumi, get 'em, get 'em, get 'em. Promotional considerations provided by Zeppelin. It's an attitude. Hot stuff for guys to wear. Get some now, Zeppelin. Street Neat Leather Wayfarer sunglasses by Ray-Ban. Elegant and boss leather that's right in step with today's fashion. Wayfarer, the world's finest sunglasses from Bausch & Lomb.
Coming up next on Now Hear This, your weekly guide to new music to kick off World Premiere Week just right. We have two world premieres from Aerosmith and Fine on Cannibal. You see the brand new breakthrough video by the Beastie Boys and Eric Clapton's brand new album Journeyman in our album Spotlight. That and more next on Now Hear This.
You don't need a Tetris shop.
Tetris.
How do you even Tetrasize?
Square, rectangle, trapezoid, tetrazoid.
Nintendo introduces Tetris.
Put a piece here, put a piece there. Use your thumbs, use your eyes. Find yourself Tetrasize.
Now you're playing with power.